Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. In this video, we're going to put together the Mandalorian page kit number 182. If you'd like to pick up this page kit, you will find it in my Etsy shop. In the description below, there is a link to the page kit. Okay, so in your kit, you're going to receive 2 black 12 by 12 sheets and 2 background papers as well. I've already pre-cut these, so if your black paper has a barcode at the top, just go ahead and trim that off to measure 12 by 12. These are 12 by 12. They will need to be cut to measure 11 3/4 by 11 3/4. What I did was I measured and cut off the top portion. So I put it in my cutter like this, measured over and cut 11 3/4 there, trimming off the top barcode. And then I trimmed 1/8 of an inch off of each side, and then that will make it 11 3/4. So I'm going to go ahead and glue these down. You can either use liquid glue or a tape runner. I'm going to go ahead and use a tape runner for this one. And this, as you can see, there is another option on the back. If you prefer this as your background paper, you can certainly use that instead. And I'm just making sure that I'm lining up all 4 corners and it's centered as best as I can. That's one. I'm going to go ahead and do the second sheet. And I am using the tombow dispenser, mono dots adhesive, if anyone's interested. It's a permanent tape runner. I do not recommend removable in this case because you don't want your page to fall off. Okay, so now that we have those done, we are going to go ahead and assemble. I'm going to put on the photo mats first. Now in your kit, you're going to receive black photo mats. I'm going to add the white to mine just because I don't have my photos yet that I want to place on here, but it gives it a nice, it shows the nice black border that you'll have. So the white represents the photos, not in your kit. So I'm just going to put a little bit of adhesive in the center because once I do have my photos ready, I want to be able to remove the white and place my photos there. Oh, wait a minute. There should be this one. Okay, I'm going to do there's 1 vertical and 3 horizontal photos. Okay, so one's going to be up here, another right here. So just a heads up, I'm running out of room on my camera. So I'm going to quickly lay these out in case it runs out before I finish so you can at least see where I'm going with it. Okay, so this one's going to be placed here. This one comes down here slightly. I'll probably tuck it under just a smidge. The title, now I've already placed foam adhesive. You don't have to pop them up, but I like to add dimension. So I use the foam squares, or you can use foam tape if you have that. That one's gonna go here and I just center it. And then we're going to place this one over here. It'll go something like that. Want to make sure you'll be able to see what's in the picture, so I don't want to cover up the pictures too much. And then let's see, let me do this one next. Okay, so it's gonna go like this. So I recommend putting this down first. This is the way. And we'll glue this way, and then we'll center is and the. And then once those are down, this will go next or last. So when you are adding the images to your page, and if you do not have your photos yet, what I recommend doing is I just take a scrap piece of paper, I lay it right in the corner to line up with the photo mat, and then go ahead and place this where I want it. I'll hold it there, turn it over, and then I can see any of the foam squares that are touching this paper. I know do not remove the tape backing. Remove the tape backing from all these, then place it down. Don't need this anymore. And that way it won't stick to there, so you can still put your photos in. Yep, so it'll look like that. So what I'm gonna do in this case, I'm gonna go ahead and leave it at that since I am running out of camera space. But that gives you an idea of what it's going to look like. And I hope you've liked this video. There are other videos on my YouTube channel as well, showing how to piece together each individual image or title of this kit. And again, if you would like to pick up this page kit, please click the link below in the description of this video. And I really appreciate your support. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click the subscribe button and click on that bell for notifications. And thank you so much again for watching, and have a great day.